Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change Revolut phone number. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply open the Revolut application and make sure you are here at the homepage. And after that, just simply tap on your profile on the top left corner of the screen. And once you have done that, you should be able to see here account at the bottom. So just simply tap on account. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select personal details at the top over here. And since Revolut won't let us record what's in here, so from here, just simply go ahead and select your phone number. And from there, you should be able to edit out your country phone number and your phone number itself. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on the button down below, which is done. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.